Who can it be with me in electrical? Did they vent from medical? Can't you see I'm trying to fix lights? You flip them back, this will take all night. I wish it was in my fate. Stay away, can't you tell I'm a crewmate? There's a body right outside. Don't get blamed, time to run and hide. Didn't see it anyhow. Who to blame now? Who can it be now? Where do I go now? Why can't I open these stupid doors? Go to comms, don't see them anymore. If they see me, they'll come this way. I'll be trapped in nav, and here I'll have to say, I've done no task, can't even card swipe. There's nothing wrong with losing every game. A new game and I'm the imposter. Here they come, still waiting on kill timer. Who to kill now? It's such a thrill now. Who caught me now? Who called that meeting now? Are they going to eject me anyway? Why don't they believe my alibi? It's the future that I can see. It always happens to me. Yeah! Who is the imposter now? Who can I blame now? It wasn't me now. Who can it be now? Oh, who just killed me now? Just a ghost. Cannot photo. Oh, we're going to lose.